All of us in my family love baseball hats, so we have a bunch of them around the house. So I made this 3-in-1 organizer for baseball hats, car keys, and sunglasses, which will come in very handy. About a few weeks ago, I made this sketch of a baseball hat organizer and key holder, but I'm making a variation of that today using scraps of wood from my scrap wood pile. And since I'm making a variation of that sketch that I made, I actually didn't have the dimensions for it. In another video where I'll show you the finished product, I'll share the dimensions of the build, so stay tuned for that. In this video recording, I've tried to share as much of the measurements that I took, which will show the dimensions, but I will share some more details in the finished product. I intend to stain it with a dark stain. I haven't decided yet, but once I do that, I'll share some more information about it, about the dimensions and the cut lists as well. You can click on the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so that you'll get notified when I release new videos, as well as the update that I'll be releasing shortly. Most, if not all, the rest of the process is easy to follow, but if you do have any questions, leave them in the comments for me. I'll answer it as quickly as possible. Don't want to sound like a broken record, but I'll share some more information in another video related to this. But in the meantime, watch the rest of the video. If you do have any specific questions, leave them in the comments. I'll do my best to answer them as quickly as possible. And look for an update on this video coming shortly. Hey, I want to give a quick shout out to all the subscribers on this channel. I want you to know that I appreciate you and I thank you from the bottom of my heart. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for being a part of this community. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, feel free to do that. Click on the subscribe button and let us build a community of people who will help each other grow as we learn from each other. Thank you and God bless. Hey, real quick, I want to take this brief moment to remind you that God loves you no matter what you're going through, no matter what you've been through, no matter what lies ahead. He cares for you and He loves you. And the good part of it, the good news is you don't have to do anything to earn it. None of us have to do anything to earn it. Even before we knew Him, He had already showed His love to us. So just ask Him for His love and receive His love by faith, and let Him help you in whatever difficulties or challenges you're going through. Remember, He already paid the price, so you don't have to. You just need to ask and believe and receive His love. If you like the video so far and you found some value in the video, please do me a favor and click on the like button, and feel free to share it with somebody else. Thank you. I appreciate that. Just a quick reminder that all you need is just a little bit of faith and some DIY action to tackle any DIY project. And that's it for this week, folks. Until next time, I hope you have a tangible experience of God's love today. Take care and God bless. I'll see you in the next video.